Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably staring at that frustrating FDH error code on your LG fridge from 2025 models, and you're wondering how to get your fridge back up and running. Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through this step by step in a way that's easy to follow. This error often points to issues with the defrost heater or a sensor problem, which can cause your fridge to stop cooling properly. But the good news is, many times, it's something you can fix yourself without calling a pro. First things first, safety is key. Make sure to unplug your fridge from the wall to avoid any electrical risks. Give it about 5 minutes to fully power down. While it's unplugged, grab a flashlight and check the back of the fridge for any visible issues, like loose wires or dust buildup around the coils. Dust can sometimes trigger these errors, so use a soft brush or vacuum to clean it out gently. Next, locate the defrost heater. In most LG models, it's near the evaporator coils at the back of the freezer section. Carefully inspect the connections, make sure they're secure and not corroded. If you see any damage, you might need to replace the heater, which is a part you can order online. Once you've checked that, plug the fridge back in and perform a reset. Hold down the fridge's power button for 10 seconds or use the reset option in the settings menu if your model has one. After resetting, monitor the fridge for the next few hours. If the error persists, it could be a faulty thermostat or a more complex issue. In that case, it's best to contact LG customer support or a certified technician. Remember, always refer to your fridge's manual for model-specific advice to avoid voiding any warranty. There you have it. That's how you tackle the FDH error code. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more home appliance fixes, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay cool, and I'll see you in the next one.